Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is It Doesn't Matter because it just doesn't matter. Came here for a reason. I didn't make my bed this morning. One of my subscribers said that I should drink Diet Coke to do my burps. So I'm gonna drink a Diet Coke. And another subscriber asked me to do longer videos, so I'm gonna put two requests in one. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna drink Diet Coke to see how I burp. Let's see. Oh shit. Sometimes I have to do weird shit for these burps to come out, so. But I feel so relieved after they come out. It feels so good. Let's see how long it takes me to get 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below. Get me to 1,000. Share, share, share. One more time for the road, okay? One more time, one more time. For the road, one more time for the road, one more time for the road. Yeah. Catch y'all in my next video. Bye.